My name is Shane Keeling. I'm a multidisciplinary visual artist that specialises in the making and breaking of ceramic vessels. I chose toys for this project that I remember playing with when I was a child. There's footballs, basketballs, there's some dolls there as well, dinosaurs, and then some toys for toddlers and stuff, things that I just connected with. Footballs, basketballs, all those sort of things, they're non-gendered. I just wanted to be really stripped back. I wanted to take the advertisement out of the toys and see them for the objects that they are in their pure beauty. And then that idea of a white Christmas, this idealized version of a white Christmas, I wanted to play around with that a little bit too. Just kind of strips it back to its bare bones. And the context of the toys really changes when you get rid of those colors and when you turn something that's usually soft and squidgy into something that's stiff and brittle, you know? It's like toys that don't want to be played with. And there was something about that that really excited me. This is the piece, MAS-X.3, a 9-foot sculpture compiled of 90 fragmented porcelain toys that have been reconfigured into an abstract Christmas tree. Using a very traditional material like porcelain, changing it, making it more contemporary, maybe even futuristic, was a big aspect of what I was trying to achieve with this work. The process to attach the ceramic to the frame takes a lot of hard work, and I'm so used to creating in my own space. It was interesting to create work in a public environment. That was a different experience. I literally put some blood and sweat, and I was this close to tears at points. My soul went into this piece. I think it looks better in reality. You know, it's a really hard thing to imagine because there's so many different components. There's so many stages along the way. I've been working on this for 6 months. So many steps from making the molds, casting the pieces, fragmenting them, drilling holes in them, to finally see it actually come to fruition, coming out of my mind and into reality. It exceeded expectations. My aim was to redefine what a Christmas tree can be, and I think I nailed the brief.